Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some spicy wings.
Okay guys, for my chicken I used these spices: paprika, black pepper, chicken stock, and the powdered chili, chicken cube. And then for the greens I use green pepper, spring onion, green chili, scotch bonnet, garlic, and onions. And also you can add whatever spices that you want, but me, I'm making spicy wings. I'm gonna grill them, and this is the outcome.
Okay, this is the outcome of the sauce. Obviously I blended everything together, and this is how it looks like. So you just put it around the chicken, and that's what I'm doing right now. Once it's all put together, make sure the sauce goes everywhere. Like, I put some cuts in the chicken in order for the sauce to go inside. So I'm gonna put this around the chicken as well. Don't forget, it's also optional with the amount of chili you want to put in. It depends on what you like. With myself, I put 3 types of chili, which is fine. But if you want to put less, you can put less. So you just make sure it's all mixed on both sides. Okay, I think it's done now. What you need to do is you just need to cover it up, which I'm doing at the moment. You can either do this overnight, or you can also just do it for an hour. So I'll just put it in the fridge for an hour. It depends. If you're making the barbecue the next day, you can put it in for overnight, or you can put it for an hour, 2 hours, depending on what you want. It's your choice. But with me, I just did it for an hour because I needed the chicken wings to be done at that. Okay, the chicken wings are ready now. I've taken them out of the fridge and I'm just putting them on the tray. So I'm going to put them in the oven for like 30 minutes, and then I'll just wait after 30 minutes, and then I'll grill them. The chicken is now ready to be put in the oven. What I'm going to do now is I'm just covering it up with the foils in order for the chicken to cook. After 30 minutes, I'm now just taking the cover off so that I can grill the chicken now. So I'll take the cover completely off, and then I'll put it on
Okay,
there.
now I'm just gonna grill it. Like, I'll grill it.
I'm going to grill the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes. So just make sure the chicken pieces are separated. This is the final outcome of the chicken. I added a bit of onions to make it more tasty, and this is how it looks now. I like my chicken golden brown, and this is just perfect for me. Make sure guys you subscribe to my channel, which is Kunda's Vlogs, and you also comment, share, and like my page. Please ensure that we stay connected on Instagram. My Instagram page is Kundaskitchen, and make sure guys you're following me on Instagram. If you try this recipe, just ensure you tag me. Guys, this is the final outcome of the chicken. I decided to take a video outside. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.